Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga kaistorya! Welcome back to At Home with Mardy. This January, we open a meaningful chapter on the channel, a celebration of remarkable women whose influence goes far beyond what we see on the surface. Women who didn't just shine when the spotlight was on, but proved that real strength, talent, and authenticity are often built quietly behind the scenes. These are stories of courage, conviction of women who took bold risks, faced criticism with grace, reinvented themselves through challenges, and continued to stand tall no matter the odds. And for today's vlog, we turn our attention to a woman whose journey is as compelling as it is complex. One of the most intriguing and multifaceted figures in Philippine public life, Risa Hontiveros. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. So today, we're setting aside the noise and the opinions to focus on something simple but powerful facts. In this vlog, we're uncovering 7 real and verified facts about Risa Hontiveros. Facts that trace her journey, reflect her convictions, and reveal the work behind the public image. This isn't about taking sides, it's about understanding the story behind the name. How experience, advocacy, and resilience shape a woman who continues to stand firm in the face of challenge. So take a moment, stay with us, and let's walk through the 7 real facts that help us see Risa Hontiveros more clearly. Number 1. Full name and birth details. Si Ana Theresia Navarro Hontiveros ay pinanganak noong February 24, 1966 sa Manila sa Pilipinas. Isang pangalang sumasalamin sa mayamang pamana at kasaysayan. Mula sa kanyang mga unang taon sa puso ng bansa, unti-unti siyang hinubog ng kanyang pinagmulan at karanasan hanggang sa siya'y naging isang mahalagang personalidad sa pampublikong buhay ng Pilipinas. Number 2. Risa Hontiveros' political career. Umabot sa isang mahalagang yugto ang kanyang political journey nang mahalal siya bilang Senator of the Philippines noong 2016. Earning the trust of the people once more, she secured a second term in 2022, continuing her work in the Senate and strengthening her role as a key voice in the country's national leadership. Number 3. Risa Hontiveros' advocacy and legislative work. Sa buong panahon ng kanyang paglilingkod sa bayan, naging kilala siya bilang isang matibay na tagapagsulong ng public health, karapatan ng kababaihan, gender equality, at proteksyon ng mga sektor na nasa laylayan. Her legislative work reflects his commitment as she played a key role in pushing landmark measures such as the expanded maternity leave law and the mental health law. Laws designed to protect dignity, promote well-being, and improve the quality of life for countless Filipinos. Number 4. Party affiliation and earlier rule. Ana Theresia Hontiveros has long been deeply involved with the Akbayan Citizens Action Party, serving not only as a dedicated member but also as its national chairperson. Before rising to the Senate, she represented the party as a party list congresswoman in the House of Representatives from 2004 to 2010, laying the foundation for her lifelong commitment to progressive legislation and social advocacy. Number 5, Peace and Advocacy Recognition. Ang kanyang dedikasyon sa kapayapaan at advokasya ay nagbigay sa kanya ng mahalagang pagkilala sa maagang bahagi ng kanyang karera. Noong 2001, iginawad sa kanya ang 10 Outstanding Young Men Award for Peace Advocacy at noong 2005, kabilang siya sa isang grupo ng kahangahangang kababaihan na nominado para sa Nobel Peace Prize bilang patunay ng kanyang makabuluhang kontribusyon sa pagtataguyod ng kapayapaan at social justice. Number 6, Risa Hontiveros' professional background. Bago pumasok sa mundo ng politika, binuo ni Hontiveros ang kanyang karera sa media. Nagtatrabaho ng ilang taon bilang television journalist at news anchor kung saan nahasa niya ang kanyang kakayahan sa komunikasyon, pakikipag-ugnayan sa publiko at pag-ulat ng mga isyong magiging pundasyon ng kanyang advokasya sa paglilingkod sa bayan. And number 7, she is a solo parent and family. Si Risa Hontiveros ay isang dedikadong ina ng 4 na anak. Humarap sa mga hamon ng pagiging solo parent matapos pumanaw ang kanyang asawa na si Francisco Baracwell Jr. na nagpapakita ng tibay at lakas hindi lamang sa kanyang pamilya kundi pati na rin sa kanyang paglilingkod sa bayan. And there you have it mga kaistorya. 7 real verified facts about Risa Hontiveros, a woman whose life is a powerful mix of public service, advocacy, and personal resilience. From championing landmark laws to raising a family as a solo parent, she truly shows what it means to lead with heart and purpose. Now, I want to hear from you. Which fact about Risa Hontiveros inspired you the most and why? Comment below and let's start the conversation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that empower and inspire. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next story. Daghang salamat! Sending a big shout out and heartfelt thanks to this awesome viewer for dropping such an amazing comment. Maraming salamat po. Before we wrap up today's vlog, I want to leave you with an inspiring thoughts. Give every day the chance to become the most beautiful day of your life by Mark Twain. Each day is a new opportunity. No matter what happened yesterday, you can choose to make today positive, meaningful, and full of joy. It's about embracing the present and seeing the beauty in everyday life. Thanks for watching. Daghang salamat.